Hey everybody, Scott here from Camco. Today I'm going to tell you about the TastePure KDF Carbon RV water filters. These point-of-use water filters are made right here in the USA, and they're designed to improve the taste and smell of your drinking water so you can enjoy bottled water taste right from your RV. The filters use activated carbon to reduce odor, bad taste, chlorine, and lead. And they use KDF to prevent bacteria growth when the water filter is not in use. Not only that, but their 20 micron fiber barrier will help keep sediment out of your RV tank. The TastePure KDF Carbon water filters are available in two different sizes, Standard and XL, which provides twice the water filtration. Included with the filters is a heavy-duty flexible hose protector which will help prevent your hose from kinking while in use. To set up your filter, connect your freshwater hose to the water source. Attach the water filter to your freshwater hose, making sure the arrow points in the direction of water flow. If you're using your water filter for the first time, you're going to want to allow the water to flow through the filter for about a minute. This flushes out the carbon fines so that they don't get into your water supply. Write down the date of first use on the filter. Once that's done, remove the male end of the hose from the filter inlet and attach the flexible hose protector. Remove the female end of the hose from the water source and attach the hose to the filter outlet. Connect the filter with hose protector to the water source, then connect the male end of the hose to the RV. Camco's TastePure KDF Carbon RV water filters with flexible hose protectors. If you don't have one, you should get one today.